If you're buying a tablet for note-taking under $400, don't just pick the cheapest one. Some tablets have terrible palm rejection, some lag when you write fast, and some feel smooth at first until the battery dies halfway through class. In this video, I'll rank the best tablets for note-taking under $400, so you can choose the right one for school, work, or daily productivity. Number 5. Apple iPad Air 11-inch. The 7th generation iPad Air still follows the iPad Pro as the second most capable tablet in the iPad lineup, although it's a lot cheaper. But the reason it's our top pick is thanks to its compatibility with the Apple Pencil Pro and Apple Intelligence features. Apple Intelligence on the iPad Air includes writing tools to generate text, like summaries, emails, or messages, Genmoji to create custom emoji, which you can then use on other non-Apple Intelligence-compatible devices linked to your Apple ID, Image Playground to generate images in different applications, and a smarter Siri that you can type queries to and leverages ChatGPT for more in-depth responses. In addition, the Apple Pencil Pro incorporates advanced features like squeeze, barrel roll, and haptic feedback to make marking up, taking notes, and creating an artistic masterpiece more intuitive. Number 4. Remarkable Paper Pro. Kucharski also went hands-on with the Paper Pro and was especially impressed with the writing experience. The pesky latency you often find when using a stylus is absent altogether here. There is zero lag between the motion of your hand and the line you're drawing on the device's screen, resulting in a realistic, enjoyable writing experience, he wrote in his review. Who it's for? This device is for people looking to seriously lock into their productivity. The Paper Pro can't browse the web, play videos, or edit your photos, but that's the point. Instead, it takes a more disconnected approach to help complete tasks with productivity tools like templates, workflow, and app connections, and an additional typefolio to combine handwriting and typing into one device. Number 3. TCL NXT Paper 11 Plus. The TCL NX Paper 11 Plus is the perfect nexus between a reading note-taking tablet and a regular tablet. TCL's NX Paper technology lets you switch from regular mode to color paper to ink paper, the most similar to what you can expect from an e-reader. Regular mode provides sharp, vibrant visuals for streaming video calls and creating digital art. Ink paper mode transforms the screen into an e-reader-like display for extended reading sessions and note-taking. Color paper mode offers soft, low-saturation colors ideal for reading comics or magazines. Its display also helps reduce eye strain while reducing blue light, omitting a conventional backlight, and eliminating flickering, making it easier on the eyes than traditional screens while displaying the different types of content you'd expect from a tablet or smartphone. Number 2. eBooks Tablet 10.3-inch Note Air 5C. Best lightweight note-taking tablet. If you're looking for a light and thin note-taking tablet, the eBooks Note Air 5C should be on your radar. Why we like it. The eBooks Note Air 5C is a color e-ink tablet that is built for note-taking. The screen has a 1240 by 930 or 150 pixels per inch PPI resolution in color. When used in black and white, it has a 2480 by 1860 resolution or 300 PPI, the same as the Kindle Scribe. Plus, it's super lightweight at just under a pound. This tablet has all the best features of the top note-taking apps built right in. There are dozens of templates to use, audio recording, color coding, and inserting links and attachments into notes. Plus, built-in artificial intelligence enables text recognition, shape correction, and a strike-through erase feature that makes erasing much easier. Number 1. If you want a central hub for your documents, books, notes, and writing projects, this is the tablet for you. Why we like it? The Kindle Scribe is perhaps the perfect example of an e-reader tablet hybrid. It has the same functions you love in a Kindle, like a 300 ppi glare-free screen, weeks of battery life, and adjustable warm light. It's also compatible with Amazon's Premium Pen, so you can take handwritten notes or underline important quotations in your ebook. Your notes are automatically organized in one place for every book so that you can browse, review, and export them via email. The Kindle Scribe also comes with preset templates to help you create notebooks, journals, and lists. You can also create sticky notes in Microsoft Word and other compatible Word documents. If you're mainly looking for a tablet for reading that feels more like real paper, I've made a separate guide for that. Check it out next. And if this video helped you, hit like so more students can find it.